A major fire broke out at a plywood godown in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh on Tuesday. The incident took place in the Sisaumau area near Sangeet Talkies. Thick black smoke and flames were seen rising from the godown, triggering panic among local residents. According to initial reports, the fire was caused by a short circuit. The blaze quickly spread inside the premises due to the presence of highly combustible materials. As soon as information about the fire reached the mini control room, emergency services were altered. Fire stations in the surroundings areas immediately responded to the call. 6 to 7 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Firefighters began operations soon after arriving the scene. Officials said the flames had spread across a significant portion of the godown by the time rescue teams reached the area. Dense smoke made visibility difficult and created challenges for firefighters. The godown reportedly contained plywood, plastic and other flammable materials. These materials intensified the fire and led to heavy smoke across the locality. The first priority for rescue teams was to ensure the safety of people trapped inside the building. Fire personnel conducted evacuation efforts and helped move people to safer locations. After completing rescue operations, firefighters focused on containing the blaze. Water jets were used continuously to prevent the fire from spreading to nearby buildings. Police personnel also reached the spot and cordoned off the area. Traffic movement around the affected location was restricted to allow emergency vehicles easy access. Residents gathered near the site as the firefighting operations continued. Authorities urged people to maintain a safe distance from the area. Officials said the coordinated response by the fire department helped to bring the situation under control. The fire was prevented from spreading to adjoining structures, avoiding a potentially larger disaster. No casualties or injuries have been reported so far. This comes as a major relief for authorities and local residents. Fire department officials confirmed that 6 to 7 fire tenders remain deployed at the site. Cooling operations are also underway to eliminate any remaining hotspots and prevent the fire from igniting. Authorities said the blaze has been largely contained and is expected to be fully extinguished soon. The extent of property damage is yet to be assessed. Officials believe losses may be significant because of the large quantity of shorted materials inside the godown. The detailed investigation will be carried out after the firefighting operations is completed. Officials will examine the exact cause of the short circuit and assess whether safety measures were in place. For now, the situation remains under control. Emergency teams continue to monitor the site. Authorities are expected to submit a detailed report once operations conclude.
ये मिनी कंट्रोल रूम के माध्यम से सूचना प्राप्त हुई थी कि सीसामऊ क्षेत्र के अंतर्गत एक गोडाउन में आग लगी है और लोगों के फंसे होने की आशंका है। उसके दृष्टिगत जो आसपास के हमारे फायर स्टेशन थे उसके तुरंत ही हमने 6 से 7 गाड़ियों को फायर स्टेशन से निकाला और जब यहाँ कर देखा गया काफी वृहद मात्रा में फ्लेम थी और धुआं बहुत दूर तक दिख रहा था। तो इसमें जो भी लोग थे उनको निकाला गया इनिशियल फेज में और फायर फाइटिंग प्रारंभ किया गया। फायर फाइटिंग करते हुए आग को लिमिट कर लिया गया है क्योंकि प्लास्टिक कंबस्टिबल मटेरियल है तो धुआं बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन फिर भी इसको लिमिट कर लिया गया। थोड़ी देर में पूर्ण रूप से इसको बुझा लिया। 6 से 7 गाड़ियां मौके पे हैं। अभी पूरा कोई कैजुअलिटी कोई इंजरी नहीं है। पूरा ऑपरेशन सुरक्षितता से चल रहा है और इसको थोड़े टाइम में इसको बुझा लिया जाएगा।
Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.